Today we have to start question number 3 of exercise 9.3 children. Question number 3 says find the product. That means we have to multiply once again. So let's start. I am writing the question. A square into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. So now we have to multiply. So we all know we multiply the constants and the variables, where if the variables are common, we add their parts. So here we can see all the variables are common. That means we are going to add the parts, and then we are going to multiply the constants. So 1 into 2 gives us 2, 2 fours gives us 8, and 8 to the power 2 plus 22 plus 26. At the side we can add it gives us 50. That means 8a to the power 50. This completes the first one. Now we start with the second one, children. Second one is 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x squared y squared. Okay. So let's start. Again we will multiply the constants and then we multiply the variables. So we can also separate and write 2 by 3 since they are fractions. So we are separating and writing them like this, and xy into x square y square. Nothing in between means it's a sign of multiplication only. Now 2 and 5 can get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 5s are, and 3 and 9 can get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, now 3 ones are 3, correct? Where minus sign is there, so minus 3, and 5 ones are 5, so upon 5. Now we multiply the variables. So we see x and x is common, so we are going to add the parts of x and x square. So x to the power 1 plus 2, and we are going to add the parts of y and y. Y to the power 1 plus 2. Okay. Now we write the numbers by adding the parts of the variables. So minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube. So this is your answer. This completes the second one, children. Now we are going to start the third one. I knew you are going to fall. Jadoo. Okay, then we start with the third one. Third one. Minus 10 by 3 p cube multiplied by 6 by 5 p cube. Okay. So again we are going to separate the fractions and the variables, just how we did in the second one, we will do in the third one also, children. So let's separate the constants and the variables so that it becomes easy for us to cancel and multiply if cancellation is possible. Then p cube into p cube and cube. Okay, so we can see 5 and 10 can get cancelled, so 5 ones twos are. Okay. So after this, whatever is left out, that we are going to write. So 10 by 3 and 6 by 5. Correct. Now, 2 twos will give us 4, and there is a minus sign, children. Minus 1 upon 1. That means only 1. So nothing, no need to write. Not like there. Then P and P. The powers of P will be added. 1 plus 3, and the power of Q will be added. 3 plus 1. So it is minus 4 P raised to 3 plus 1 4 and Q raised to 3 plus 1, which is actually 4 once again. So this completes the third one. Now we are going to start the fourth one. Minus sign have I put? Yes. Fourth one, x into x square into x cube into x raised to 4, or x to the power 4. So here you can see no constants, that means all 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So all 1 ones will give you 1 only, and then all the variables are common. So we are going to add the powers of x. So x bracket, nothing is there, means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. X 3, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 gives you 10. So this completes question number 4 of question number 3. Okay. Now we are going to start question number 4. A. It's simplify. We have to simplify 3x into, that is bracket, 4x minus 5 plus 3. We have to simplify this. Okay. And find its values. And we have to find the value here when x is given 3 and x is given 1 by 2. So first we simplify it. Simplify it means we have to make it into a simple form. Okay. So let's do that. How are we going to simplify, children? We are going to simplify by opening the bracket. You can see there is a bracket. Okay. So let's open the bracket. That means this 3x will be multiplied to 4x and 3x will be multiplied to 5. So let's do it. 3x into 4x minus 3x into 5 plus 3. Okay. Now we are going to multiply. So we are going to multiply 3 and 4 because they are constants. So 3 4s are 12 and power of x and x will be added. Why? Because they are common. Minus 3 5s are 15. X is alone, so x remains x and 3. Now 1 plus 1 gives you 2, so it is 12x minus 12x squared, 12x squared minus 15x plus 3, children. Now this is, we have solved the equation. Now we have to find the value of x also. Okay. 15. Again, in place of x, what are we going to put? 3 plus 3. Okay. Now, 12. 3 square means 3 is written 2 times. That is 3 into 3, not 3 into 2. 3 is 2 times. X square means x into x. Correct? Similarly, 3 square means 3 into 3. Minus 15 3s are gives us 45. 15 3s are 45. No sign in between 15 and 3. There's a bracket. That means it's multiplication. Plus 3. Okay. Now 3 3s are gives us 9. Again, no bracket in between. That means it is. You are very irritating. 3 3s are 9. Okay. And no sign in between 12 and 9 means it is multiplication. So no sign means there's a bracket. That means it's multiplication. So 12 9s are will give you 108. Okay. So directly we are writing I am writing 3 3s are 9, 9 12s are 108 minus 45 plus 3. Now 108 and 3 both are positive. So shall we add both of them? Okay. So we can add these two first. So this gives 111. 8 plus 3 gives you 11. Okay. Then 45. Now 111 minus 45. So this becomes 11, which becomes 10, and this becomes 11. Once again, so 11 minus 5 gives you 6, and 10 minus 4 also gives you 6. So your answer comes out to be 66. This completes when x is equal to 3. Now there is one more thing. Second one also is there. Okay, when x is equal to half. Half means 1 by 2. That means in place of x, now what we will put? 1 by 2. So let's start. 12 1 by 2 square. Okay. Then minus 15x. So 1 by 2 plus 3. Okay. Now 12 1 by 2 will be 2 times minus 15 ones are 15 by 2 plus 3. Okay. Now this gives you 4. So 12 into 1 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. 12 and 4 will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. 3 plus 3 will give you 6. So let's add because both are positive. So 6 minus 15 by 2. Now 6 is alone. So we put 1. Now you can see you have to subtract here. Correct? You have to subtract. So you need to have the denominators same. Correct? So how to make the denominators same? Simple. If you multiply 2 into the first denominator. So let's do it. 6 upon 1 into 2 minus 15 by 2. 6 2s are will give you 12 by 2 minus 15 by 2, which gives you 12 minus 15 by 2, which gives you plus 12 minus 15 plus minus minus. So 15 minus 12 will give you 3, and sign will be of the integer which is greater. Who is greater here? 15 is greater. It is having negative sign. So the difference will also have a negative sign. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. Okay. So this completes question number 4 becomes a square. This becomes a. This becomes 5. Okay. So we have simplified. Now we have to find when. We have to find the value of this equation, or you can say expression, when a is equal to 0. When a is equal to 0. So let's put the values. In place of a, we put 0, 0, 0 and 5. So all are 0 plus 5 will give you 5. So this completes your first part. Then we start the second part, children. The second part, when a is equal to 1. So, putting the value of a as 1, so 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. So 1 into